Hey, look at this. An old guy beat Mother Nature. I beat the rain. Just started raining. I got some covers on this stuff here. It's not going to rain too hard now, but it's going to rain off and on. But I got the electrical stuff all back on there on this old Axelson. Oh, well, that's what it looks like when it rains. Looking good. Now I get this stuff bundled up and come on in here. And gonna knock this wall out where the two Monarch double E's is sitting.
I have the perfect way to do it. Mantis X. Now,
look at it from this way. Yeah, I'll move this wall out about 8 feet. Looks like 8 feet. Maybe 8 feet. 4 inches if I can get away with it. Maybe 8'6". 8'6" sounds good. So I'll go ahead and keep these two Monarchs against the wall. Move them all over 8 feet. The Axelson will sit right in here. And I'll move this milling machine over in that corner, and that drill will sit in here. Has to sit somewhere close to the peak of the roof.
Now the way it works is you attach Mantis X to your firearm, and you simply connect it on your iPhone, smartphone, whatever. It gives you instant
all that payment stuff took a little more than I thought it would.
What you're doing wrong, how to correct your technique.
Okay, so look at that. Get these old machines in there. I'll get a cover kind of thing over this driveway and work on that truck. Now look at that. Push it back in there. Okay. All right. Looking good. Just thought I'd load a quick progress video here so you guys have a good rest of the day. I've been busy today. I was up before the sun. So, okay, I might take a nap now. So you guys take it easy. Bye-bye.